The 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan's MIB3 infotainment system can experience several frustrating issues that affect daily driving. The most common problems include black screen failures, where the display goes completely dark, system freezes that make controls unresponsive, boot loop issues where the system continuously restarts, and connectivity problems with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The first troubleshooting step is a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system shuts down completely. Wait 30 seconds before restarting the vehicle. The system should reboot normally within 2 to 3 minutes. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Turn off the vehicle completely and disconnect the 12-volt battery's negative terminal for 15 minutes. These reset procedures can resolve temporary software corruption or power supply issues. The soft reset works for minor glitches, while the hard reset addresses more persistent problems by completely clearing the system's memory. When basic resets don't resolve your MIB3 issues, it's time for advanced solutions. The most effective approach is ensuring your system has the latest firmware. Visit an authorized Volkswagen dealer for professional software updates. These updates specifically address boot failures and connectivity problems that plague the MIB3 system. For persistent issues, professional diagnosis using VCDS scanning can identify specific error codes. This diagnostic tool reveals display communication errors and other system faults. Prevention is key to avoiding future MIB3 problems. Follow these essential maintenance practices to keep your system running smoothly. First, regularly update your system software through dealer visits. Second, never interrupt the system during startup or shutdown processes. Third, maintain your 12-volt battery health for stable power supply. Watch for warning signs that indicate potential problems. Slow response times, screen flickering, audio cutting out, and frequent app crashes are early indicators that require prompt attention. By following these advanced solutions and prevention strategies, you can maintain a reliable MIB3 infotainment system and address issues before they become major problems.